Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to your blog using Pinterest. So you will just follow these steps. Number one is that you will just create a business account, sign up for a business account to access analytics and promotional tools. And then you will just optimize your profile, use a clear profile picture like this of your brand, write a complaining bio and including a link to your blog. And you will just add on the home is home feed, and when you just on your home feed you will just create a vertical pins, design pins in a 2.3 aspect ratio, example 1000 multiply 15 pixels for better engagement. And you will just use keywords in this search for your relevant keywords to your pins, titles and descriptions to improve reachability. And you will just join group boards over right over here, and you will just pin regularly. Consistency better, spin 5 to 10 times a day for optimal results. So in this way you can just follow these strategies and you will start driving more traffic to your blog from Pinterest. By following these strategies, you'll start driving more traffic to your blog from Pinterest. By following these strategies, you'll start driving more traffic to your blog from Pinterest. So in this way, you can just use it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.